morning, YouTube. So we're here in Baler right now. We're about to hit the water.
One look and I breathe.
Actually, talaga ang kawawa pag long drive. Out of town trips. Driver.
Kalahati tayo, sabi mo.
Ha? Kalahati sa doon yung salita. Pwede.
After 10 years, and now we are heading back to Baler.
In 500 meters, slide left to stay on Quirino Avenue, C2.
At 4:31 a.m. via Skyway, travel time from Parañaque to Aurora is 6 hours.
Kumusta naman yung aming driver?
Opo. Inabot na ako ng umaga.
Kaka-drive.
Kanina madilim pa. Grabe yung kanina yung lubak na yun.
Parang ang haba ng lupak na yun.
Sira yung daan.
Baler is a town on the Philippine island of Luzon known for its powerful surf. Baler's main source of living, majority 51% of its population, are engaged in different agricultural activities. Its major crops are coconuts and palay. Finally, we have reached Costa Pacifica. Costa Pacifica has friendly employees, delectable food, and its rich local culture. If you're a fur parent, Costa Pacifica, your pets or family. However, you may have to check their pet policy too. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic on tourism, the sudden halt in the demand for travel tourism-related activities resulted in severe loss of revenues and surge in unemployment across all tourism enterprises. 10 years back, the scenery in Baler was booming and it felt so lively and progressive. Though many businesses have closed down and a lot has changed since we were here last, the enthusiasm and friendliness made us feel their thirst of having tourists again in their town.
Let's go inside because it's raining. Nuts from Bali. It's good.
They look like they already expired.
It's not expired. I got that from the duty free. Manghang.
Decided to have lunch at Costa Pacifica, which is along Sabang Beach in Baler Aurora. Unable to take photos and videos of the other food that we ordered, nonetheless, food was delectable. Costa Pacifica's accommodation are spacious enough for travelers, children, and their pets.
Hi, sexy.
We chose the junior suite, which has a private veranda with a view of a landscape garden.
Swimming or chocolate? Finally, I am awake now. Katulog na rin ako galing sa Byahe. So, let's see. Check out the wave. Ano?
Ngayon or tomorrow?
Tomorrow na. Tomorrow na.
Medyo
Para masulit yung ano. Say.
Okay naman sa sarap. Eh, anak mo na wave na yun eh.
Oh?
Napagod eh. Nakaupo na lang eh.
Matabang-tabang.
And for those families who has kids, and surfing is not your thing, or maybe you just want to lounge, relax, take a dip at their outdoor swimming pool. They have kids pool and adults pool. Their pool is open already at 6 a.m. until 9:30 p.m.
In fairness sa hotel, masarap pati buffet niya. Maraming choices.
I enjoyed eating the pako or the vegetable fern in Baler. Sarap, man.
Oh my God! What's that? Good morning, YouTube. So we're here in Baler right now. We're about to hit the water. Let's go! There's one person attempting to surf. Baka magaling na siya. Baka local siya. You know, now gaganon siya eh. Ay, hindi. Nandun siya ulit.
Back? Yeah, he's trying to go back out. Because the waves there on the outside are better. But yung last.
Baler.
Baler. Baler. Yeah. Sa loob na ako.
Sige, dito.
Huwag na. For my vlog.
Wow! And because hindi nakikisama ang wave sa tapat ng aming hotel, we had to transfer to Sabang Bridge area to catch good waves. Charot!
Look at that. Check that out. Oh.
Sarap!
Exercise na surfing size.
Ano, Popoy? Kumusta naman ang experience of surfing? After 10 years,
Adrenaline pa.
adrenaline,
38 years old. Yung arms ko parang di ko maangat.
pagod, but sarap talaga dito sa Baler.
Turo ng isang local, si Diego, ay nagturo din sa akin mag-surf. So, ang
Paluto.
local, paluto, pero buffet na. Dito na locals will try it.
Ay, naamoy
Grilled
ko na.
fish tayo. Pusit. Kain tayo, Diego.
Naamoy ko yung liempo. Parang hindi ako magsi-seafood ah. Hindi, magsi-seafood ako. Oh, wow!
Sinigang sabaw.
Gabi, meron kayo ate?
May laing.
Eto, ano to?
Hanggang 8 ng gabi.
Oh,
Salad na mo.
grabe pa ko. You have a friend na? Kali saan tayo punta? Kanayan Falls.
Aside from riding the waves, you can also learn about the rich culture and history of Baler in well-preserved museums or take refreshing dip under a giant waterfall. Barely 100 meters away from dirt road, passable to most vehicles, Kaunayan Falls is one of the most accessible falls of Aurora. Creating a great contrast against the white and light gray gravel, sand area washed out by intermittent floods, the crystal clear stream, fringed only by the blue reflection of the sky, and its wild temperature makes it ideal for baths. Its cool water is so clean and clear that visitors would drink on it. Hindi namin sinubukan. Being close to the town center and having cottages and basic amenities made it the preferred weekend destination among families. Kaunayan Falls is located in Pimentel, San Luis, Aurora. The waterfalls is approximately less than 200 meters from the main road of Pimentel. Expect that there would be a small amount of fee to enjoy Kaunayan Falls, 10 pesos for kids and 20 pesos for kids at heart.
Good morning. Day 1, last day today at Costa Pacifica.
Siyempre, ayaw naman umuwi.
Ayaw naman umuwi as usual. Tara, breakfast tayo. Makimi, arroz caldo. Breakfast potatoes. Pancit. Chicken adobo. Corned beef. Gisadong upo. Oh, the salad section. Sige, I'll have the sumay.
Champurrado. And they also have pizza for breakfast. And seasonal fruits. Yesterday's expense was 3,000 pesos for the 4 boards for the 4 adults from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This also includes a tricycle ride, going to the bridge, and going to the restaurant where we ate lunch. However, if you just want to rent a board with a guide, it is 800 per hour. Rates may change without prior notice, so I suggest you message him directly to inquire and book. It is engaging with the baleneros, or such we call as locals, that made our experience extra more memorable this time. If you're thinking to visit Baler, visit them during their surf season, which is September to March. However, what I recommend is visit during December to February. This is a cold season in the Philippines, and it will make your exploration more pleasant than during summer when temperature can reach up to 34 degrees Celsius. It is indeed more fun in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post our latest videos. Bye!